Howdy ho friends, we are going to make a rain cap for the spark arrestor. A little heads up, I have absolutely no clue what the heck I'm doing. Yep, we're winging it. Alright, here is our pipe. And I think it's, how big is this? So I'm going to be thinking out loud. This is probably going to be a long video. Where are we at? Okay. I gotta think. Alright. Through that big. So we'll add. So basically, I'm going to slow down and not talk so quick, is we need to make a big circle. You'll see why here in a minute. I think that'll work. We're going to go right about there. And I want to not waste a lot of this sheet metal, because I'm going to be honest with you, this stuff is hell of expensive. It's ridiculous how the price of stuff is right now. Alright, so we got our dot. Just put it on here like so. Loud noises. Yeah, do it again. Uh-oh, I'm gonna have to fix that. Well, heads up, we are in the office, and I guarantee you we're gonna have visitors. Probably lots of them. So I'm thinking pipe is about center plus the curve. Yeah, that looks about right. Well, maybe, because that's not going to go over here. That might not be big enough. Yeah, I don't like that. Let's move our dot over a little bit. She's right about. Keep that lined up. Right over there. See. Yeah, that'll work. Let's double check. Oh, I like that. All right. Let's make our circle. Oh, it just popped out of the hole. Okay, hang on. My hat was getting in the way. We're back in business. I think we're going to go with these snips here, and we're going to cut it out and try not to slice a hole in my finger in the process. It's not perfect, but it's gonna work. Let's see here. I think it's gonna be freaking huge. I may have overdone it. Oh well. Next, we are going to find a straight edge of some kind. And I need to cut from here to the center. Boy, that is real straight. Alright, next the fun part. We get to bend this little guy. Right about there is going to be good. Yes. Okay, we're going to be using stainless steel pop rivets. Not bad. Nice. Not too bad. It looks like center. Let's find out. No tape measure whatsoever. 60, so 30. That's good. That's good. All right, let's cut that strip out real fast. Now we have our strap cut. I'm going to pop a hole in it right here. Hopefully that'll be centered. Looks center to me. Let's get easy. You want to say something there? How do you use there? Good. Good. That's not a lie. Oh crap, worked out. That works. There. And there. Which puts the hole right about there. Mark this. Okay. Well, this is going to be a fun one to drill. did not work out. Okay. That's work. Get the mark these out and real quick. So this there, there, there. Let me tell you. Well, it's a rain cap. Now, if you noticed, I put the prop rivets in backwards because if I would have put them in forwards, this little tab that sticks out would have caught up on the expanded metal. It's definitely sturdy. I can't complain about that. Friends, I'm going to go ahead and stop the video right here. I came up with an idea that I want to try out. What I want to do is totally eliminate the spark arrestor, which means that'll be one less thing I have to carry. But first, before I do that, I need to see if I have enough air gap in between these brackets here in order for the stove to burn efficiently. The only way to do this is to take it out and do some testing. Yes, there will be a part 2. Now, in part 2, if this works, you will see me put in the expanded metal on the inside for the spark arrestor. And of course, I'm going to go ahead and put tabs on here to hold the pipe in place during a windstorm so it won't blow around or blow the stove over, which would be a really bad thing. And all I have to do is just put some tabs here and here, and then probably one over here so it'll have 3 nice little tie outs on it. Now, if I don't get enough airflow, not a big deal. I'll just put on bigger L brackets. We can put them down in here. But I kind of like how it's set up now because it'd be a hard time with the snow or a sleet trying to get into the sides the way it's set up. Let's do an overview of what I've done. We got a piece of sheet metal. I think it was 18 gauge. Basically, I cut out a simple little circle, cut out, slit to the middle of it, and grabbed it by hand and just folded it in till we were about, oh, that looks maybe 1.25 inches inlay. And then I popped some holes in it and then used stainless. Now you got to use stainless steel pop rivets. If you use aluminum, I don't think it'll get that hot up there, but if it gets too hot, they will melt and pop out. And then basically out of the same sheet of metal, I cut the L brackets, then cut the circle section and pop ribbeted them in, which is going to be easy for me to fix if I need to put bigger brackets in it. So look for part 2 in the near future after I figure out how this is going to perform. Comments are always welcome. And heads up, if you have any ideas on this or if you think it will work, please leave that in the comment section, because anything will help out. And I guess that's it. Like always, friends, thanks for watching.